All right, we are here at DoorDoorCon 6. We're on the floor. This is Jonathan Gibbs with Davis Nunez from Miami, and this is a treat for me. I just found out that he's the next podcast here, and we met a couple years ago when we were putting together Lumio, and we were looking at creating a unique solar proposal, like an in-house proposal tool.
That's right.
And we found this little development shop in Miami, Solar Blaze, and they're on fire right now. We couldn't close that deal, but you closed the deal. So tell me about your deal.
Hey, the deal has been doing good. Ever since the last time we met, we've been working mainly with the enterprise. Remember Lumio? We got to work with you guys. As of today, we're still powering all the proposals. Really big ambitions to keep growing. We come with a different approach, which is more customized to the solar company. So whatever they need to grow and expand, we're going to be supporting it.
Well, let's talk about this transaction. So we've got a lot of salespeople and entrepreneurs that follow this podcast. And you guys were a small development shop in Miami, just a handful of developers. I remember your org chart. And you're competing against companies like Aurora and Solo and Sales Rabbit, and one of those ended up buying you. So Sales Rabbit came in, and they bought you. They acquired you guys, and now you're basically their development partner for their internal solar tool.
That's right. So right now, we're part of Sales Rabbit. Really exciting news. We ended up deciding to go with them because they can support the best development team. We're looking forward to go with medium businesses. We understand that for a solar company to be successful, everything has to be streamlined and as easy as possible for the sales rep. So that's our mission, to collaborate with other companies like Aurora, for example, to provide the most accurate data while offering the most customization. So now that we're part of Sales Rabbit, as a family, as one company, we're just really excited to keep it growing. And
now I'm learning about this now with everybody that's watching this now. So I saw you guys in the hallway. So is this product live inside of Sales Rabbit?
Yes, we are currently integrating. Our goal is to go to market by the mid of next month, February, and then from there.
So February, March, in addition to using Sales Rabbit for your sales CRM and your canvassing tool, you can get a customized dynamic proposal inside of Sales Rabbit for solar that was originally coded from Solar Blaze.
Correct. And you're going to have all the capabilities. You're going to be able to create unlimited proposals, super diverse, interactive, connected to GoodLib, Sonova, Mosaic, everybody right from Sales Rabbit.
So obviously, existing Sales Rabbit customers are going to be able to use this right away.
That's right.
Is there going to be a way for people who are not Sales Rabbit customers to demo this?
Yes, we're going to be opening a few seats for people that are not part of Sales Rabbit. So if you like the software, if you like Solar Blaze and want to use the proposals, we're going to be able to offer that opportunity as well.
So this is the mission, I feel like, of all the software companies right now, right? Like one login, right?
That's it.
Reps going home, all these logins, all these passwords. One login to rule them all, right? This is where it's going.
CRM, proposals, Sales Rabbit, NetSuite, everything through one login. CRMs, you call it, one login.
So talk to me about, because I know some of the story, right? So talk to me about, there's men and women out there, they're starting their own businesses, they're putting, all the money they have into the business, they're paying themselves last. It doesn't feel like it's going to work out some days.
Right.
There's not enough money to pay the bills some days.
Right.
Talk to me about what got you through some of those months when, you weren't paying yourself.
Great question.
And you were paying your developers, and you were just living on the hope that if you worked long enough, you worked hard, that it was something was going to work out. And you didn't know what was going to work out yet.
Yeah, that's right.
What were some of those things that kept you going in those hard times?
So we had some hard times, as we had some hard times where the money that we were making, we're bootstrapped, which means all of the money that we made and put back into the business, we hunted. So we closed deals, we put the money right back.
Yeah.
No financial backup, no money, no loans, nothing, just hunting and eating. So we had, because of this business model, we have a few times where we had to decide where to put the money, if it's gonna be on our own salaries or if it's gonna be on making sure the business.
Well, you guys didn't pay yourself very much. I remember you weren't.
Yeah,
you
at
were
first
very modest.
Yeah,
weren't paying yourself. What was the? Was there a mission? Was there?
We just wanted to build the best, the greatest proposal tool ever that brings accuracy, that lets sales rep know exactly how much they can make. Honestly, they can see how much the sales rep is going to be saving, and it's going to be everything transparent. Just being able to provide a good, accurate, and transparent software for both the homeowner and the sales rep. That was our mission. We just wanted to bring transparency to the market, and that was our push.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a huge solar success story, and this is a great testimony to what I would think is just like personal drive, personal sacrifice. This is the American entrepreneur spirit on like 100% display. Don't give up. Grind, 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 grind. You never know what's going to happen. There was a number of acquisitions that you're in a part of. They all fell out. And then, one of the biggest companies in the space, Solar Rabbit, bought you. And now you are competing at the highest possible level.
That's right.
With the biggest companies in the space.
Yeah, we're excited. We want to make sure that we can take this technology, which has been mainly available for enterprise, and make it available for smaller companies so they can also grow at a more affordable rate. So really excited for what is to come. Jonathan, it's a pleasure to be speaking with you again.
It's so good to spend time again there. Yeah.
Looking forward to the next level.
That's awesome.
Thank you, guys.
On Fire, Solar Blaze, Door Con 6.
Let's go.